So we're at the train station, and it was a struggle. Oh, hold on, I think the train is here. Oh my god. Never mind, it was the other side. We're going to the hair salon to get this fixed. We literally landed this morning, and here we are. So, yay! Honestly, it was so confusing because we have no idea what we're doing. But we got the T-Money card from the eSIM place, so we did that. And then go to the customer service center because they're really nice. He loaded it up and he like helped us find where to go. So the US could never. Look at this safety feature. Look at that.